Hi, I am Sas. If you are building a startup or growing a business or launching a digital product and need a UI/UX designer, you are in the right place. I have been working in the design field since 2019 and have completed more than 350 plus projects for clients from Fiverr, Dribble, and international business. One of the startups I worked with successfully raised 10 million in funding in Italy. Here is how I can help you: web UX design solution, SaaS and software design, and mobile app UX design. My process is collaborative and feedback driven. I believe the best products are built through clear communication and continuous refinement. I am fluent in English, so communication will always be smooth and professional. And if you need a development support, I have a trusted team who can help you bring the design to life using Webflow, Framer, and other modern technologies. If you are serious about building a product that looks great and performs even better, let's connect. I would love to help you make it happen. Thank you.